All right, a few of you have asked about this wonderful, magnificent stove, and I'm here to give you a little overview. This is the packaging it comes with. You've got the legs, you've got the stove top, and you've got the wood plank with a few utensils, and then also the cast iron cooktop. It's a pretty easy setup. It probably takes us about less than 2 minutes to get it all put together. Also, this is the iCamper with a K Disco Series. I think it cost us somewhere between $500 and $600. It's on the pricier side, but it really is worth it. And we also are using our Ignik propane, which we got on a sale. Also, we're at high elevation, so big boom. But it's really great. And let me know if you have questions.